No.
severe thunderstorm warning for north central Webster Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northwestern Union Parish, Claiborne Parish, and northwestern Louisiana. Until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:27 p.m. Central Daylight
Severe
Time,
thunderstorm warning.
a severe thunderstorm was located near Haynesville, or 9 miles northwest of Homer, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour.
Tennis ball
wind
size
gusts.
hail for the first time, bro.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ruston, Homer, Haynesville, Bernice, Shongaloo, Cooley, Duboc, Junction City, Vienna, Lisbon, Scarsville, Lilly, Letton, Antioch, Mount Zion, Taylorville, Summerfield, Aiken, Spring Lake, and Corny Lake. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage.
Damn.
People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne, Lincoln, Union, and Webster.
I forgot this one.